Today we are going to take the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan. So, in everybody's house there are fan. Everywhere we go we can find a fan, isn't it? So, what is the mystery? Mystery means something cannot be believable, isn't it? Something hidden. Mystery is secret or hidden, isn't it? Something which is hidden. So mystery of the talking fan means fan is what the fan is doing. Fan is talking. So have you ever anybody have heard the fan talking in your house or in your school or anywhere, and you have seen the fan, isn't it? All of you have seen the fan. But have you seen the fan talking all the time? How is the fan talking? So now we will see through this poem how the fan is talking. Actually, it is being believed in by when stories we say for the small children. We say no. Long time before, the lion was speaking, the elephant was speaking, all the animals, plants, everyone, butterflies, all used to talk each other, isn't it? So stories are being said by that to small children to attract them towards the story, isn't it? So here also the point is saying the fan is also talking. Fan is an electronic thing, isn't it? And it is, how is the fan running? Are we rounding it? No, it is being going by the use of electric, isn't it? Through electricity, the fan is being made to rotate. Fan, isn't it? Fanning us. So electricity is passed through it and it works. Mechanical energy, isn't it? It is a mechanical energy. It is a mechanical, through mechanical energy. That means electricity, isn't it? Through electricity, when electricity is passed through it, it is made to fan or rotate, isn't it? So here the point is saying there is a mystery of the talking fan, something hidden in the fan to show that the fan is talking over there. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? So everybody will see. Suppose if you are sitting at home or suppose you are sitting in the school classroom, everywhere you can see the ceiling fan. What is the ceiling fan? Which is being placed on the ceiling, isn't it? So everybody knows what is a fan and how are we using it. When we feel too hot, we put on the switch and the fan automatically start working, isn't it? Because the current is passing and it is working. Is the fan quiet or noisy? Noisy. So the fan is quiet or noisy. So in certain times, always when we are not putting the fan, it is always quiet. It is always quiet. Sometimes it is noisy. At what time is it noisy? When it gets long time it is using for years and years it is using and no requirement is given and no putting oil, then what does it make? It becomes noisy, isn't it? See in your cycle, suppose think about your bicycle. Why you are putting oil for it every time? In between you used to put the oil for it. For what are you putting the oil? To run smoothly, to make the machines run smoothly, isn't it? To make the machines run smoothly. To make the machines run smoothly. Otherwise, what will happen? They will get the rust. Because it is made of iron, isn't it? It is made of iron. So, what comes? Rust comes. Rust means what? means sometimes it is very cold, sometimes it is rainy, then heat of the sun. So all these get attached to our bicycle, and the iron parts will start rusting. Isn't it? Rusting is durable. So in order to not to make that rustic come, what we are putting? We will put oil. We will put oil, isn't it? In order to make the machines run smoothly, that means not to get affected the rust, we put the oil, isn't it? So when oil is put over there, the rusting will not come over there. So when the rusting is not there, how will be the machines? It can work smoothly. Understood? So sometimes, majority time it is quiet, and sometimes it starts making the sound, isn't it? Because for a long time it may be using. That means long time it is working, and what happens to its machines? Rust may be there or dirt may be there, isn't it? Putting oil and all the time it is fanning, dust comes over there, and as a result it gets stuck in it. And due to that, what happens? It is not able to run smoothly, work smoothly. The machines are not able to work smoothly. As a result, what happens? It makes certain sound. It makes certain sound. So that time, how is the fan? It is noisy. So in order to reduce the noise, what we will do? We will put the oil, isn't it? We will put oil. If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So, if it is noisy, when the fan is noisy, we can say that the fan is talking. Isn't it? When you open your mouth to say something, what comes? Sound comes. Isn't it? When all of you sit and chatter together, what is there? Noise is there. And when you don't speak anything, when you close your mouth and sit, it is very quiet. Understood now? So when you start talking all together, how is the class? The class is noisy. Isn't it? So noise is coming due to what? Talking. When you open your mouth and start speaking, the noise comes over there. Isn't it? When you don't open your mouth for speaking, how is it? It is very quiet. Same to the fan also. Isn't it? When it is having some problem over there, what happens? It makes the sound. So that sound produced by fan is called the talking. Now you understood what is a talking fan? So when do the fan talks? When it needed or so when making the sound, what we will do? We will put oil for that, isn't it? So because it is talking, what is the time for? To put oil on it. Understood now? Now we go to the point. Once there was a talking fan, electrical is scattered. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it does not matter, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So what is the point saying? Once there was a talking fan. Once there was a talking fan, electrical is chatter. Chatter means we many lessons you can study. So when once there was a electric talking fan, electricity is started. That means when electricity is passed, that means when we switch on. When we switch on, who starts talking? The fan starts talking, chattering. Talking or chattering. Understood? So when electricity is passed, so electricity is passing how? We are putting on the switch, isn't it? So when we are putting on the switch, electricity passes, and what happens? Who starts talking? The fan starts talking. I could not quite hear what he said, but I cannot hear what the fan is saying. I could not understand. It is not clear what the fan is saying. And I hope it doesn't matter. So I think, okay, it is no problem because I am not hearing, I am not understanding. I had left it thinking that I don't know what it is saying. So it is not a big matter. Because one day somebody oiled this little whirling motor. Whirling means what? Whirling, rotating. Whirling, rotating. So what is rotating? What is rotating? What is rotating? The motor, isn't it? The motor of the fan rotates, and as a result, the fan goes round and round, isn't it? It goes round and round. It goes round and round. So first, who has to work? The motor has to work. If the motor is not working, will the fan move? No, it will not move, isn't it? So until the motor, for every electrical things, mechanical things, what is there? Motor is there, isn't it? For everything, what is fitted over there? Small or big, according to the object, according to the things, the shape of the motor, or the how much big it is, or a size of the motor is there, isn't it? If it is a small thing, the motor will be small. If it is a big one, the motor will be big. So for every working, what is needed? Motor is needed, isn't it? So when that motor gets damaged, gets destroyed, what happens? Whatever the thing is there, it stops working. Yes or no? You think about the many mechanical things, many electronic things. You think what are things there at home? Table lamp or torch or clock or well, everything. So in everything there is a motor. Isn't it? Mixing, grinder, everything. All electronic items are having motor according to their size. So when that motor stops working, if any fault is there for the motor, what happens? It do not work. As a result, if it is a mixie, taking example, the mixie spoiled had destroyed. Spoiled, destroyed. Spoiled, destroyed. So what had it been destroyed? That talking, that sound, that noise had been destroyed. He ran as still as water, then like a clear water. Still water means still water. Yes, clear water. When the water is still, when it is not flowing to any part and the water is there, always it is clean because all the dirt, mud, everything will be at the bottom and at the top level the water is very clean. In your well, see in your well, is there any dirt on top of the water? No, in the pond which is where it is very clean. How it is? The water is very clean, isn't it? So because all the dirts will be where? At the bottom. So here also when the noise had stopped, what happened to the fan? It started moving or rotating like a still water. That means the flow of the water, like a still water where it is very clean and soft. Understood? So now why it was not like a still water? Because the problem was with the motor. The motor needs what? It needed some oil, isn't it? So before that it was starting talking a lot and nobody could understand what it is talking. But finally when because of too much sound, somebody, we also at home, when too much sound comes only, what we will do? We will put the oil for it. So that with the use of that oil, what will be reduced? The sound will be reduced. So when the sound was there, somebody had put oil to that rotating motor and as a result it started rotating like a still water. Understood? Now got the point? Once there was a talking fan, electrical discharger. I could not quite hear what he said and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody boiled his little whirling water and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. That means like a still water, it started after oiling. There was no sound. It was rotating very softly. So the fan had stopped talking. So what is the talking of the fan now? Compared to the sound made by the rotating motor. Understood? Understood the point? Now fans don't talk, but it is possible to imagine that they do. When is it then that sound like the fan started? So usually the fan is not talking. Otherwise, when we ask something, it can speak, isn't it? So it is not talking. Then when do the fan talking as said in the poem? When then what is it then that sound like the fan? That means the rotating sound produced by the rotating motor, isn't it? Because it is being used for a long time without oil it was working. So the lack of oil had made the rotating motor make a sound, isn't it? So this sound can be put electrical is chatter. Chatter is electrical because it works. It works with the help of, because it works with the help of electricity. Because it works with the help of electricity, isn't it? That is why when we switch on, what happens? It starts working, isn't it? When we are putting the switch on, it makes what? It makes the sound, isn't it? When it is switched off, it is white. Yes or no? When we put the switch on, what starts? The chattering of the fan starts. And when the switch is off, how is the fan? It is white. It is mysterious. It is something secret, or it is like a story, hidden story. Why? Because nobody could understand what it is saying. Could not hear. Could not, because nobody could not hear what it is saying. Nobody can understand what it is saying, isn't it? Because nobody, what the fan is saying, can you understand? No, we are not able to understand. Only what is coming? Only the sound is coming. So nobody could understand what it is saying. Then third one, what do you think the talking fan was demanding? So the talking fan is demanding for what? How the talking is stopped? Demanding for what? Demanding oil, isn't it? It is demanding what? Oil. That means it is talking and talking, making the sound for what? Making us know that it needs what? It needs oil. So when we put the oil, what happens? The sound will be stopped. So what do you think the talking fan was demanding? The talking fan is demanding oil. How does an electric fan manage to throw so much air when it is switched on? Why? Because when it is switched on, how fast it is working? How fast it is working? Because of electricity. Because of electricity, isn't it? Electricity is very fast, yes or no? Electricity, power of electricity is fast. Electrical power. This is the electrical power. This is the electrical power, isn't it? The power is so fast. As we switch on up, then only within short time it reaches to the fan and it starts working. Is there a talking fan in your house? Can be a talking fan in your house also, isn't it? If you are not putting oil regularly or at the correct time, what will your fan also do? Yes, it will also start chattering. Understood now? Once more. Once there was a talking fan, electrical is chatter. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it does not matter. Because one day somebody cried, oil his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Understood the poem now, all of you? Got the idea of the poem? So when do the the oil, it can work properly. Understood now? So as we are also, when we feel thirsty, how are we? We need a glass of water, isn't it? So that much thirst is there in us. Then what we will do? We will have a glass of water and then we drink it and we quench our thirst. Our thirst is over, isn't it? Similarly, every mechanical or every machines need what? Oil instead of water. They need oil to smoothen them, isn't it? So only after smoothening them they can work properly. Otherwise what will happen? So long time using without water, because everything is exposed to air, isn't it? Exposed to air, and some things are exposed to sunlight, rain and everything. So water, sunlight, everything makes that machine what? Rusting. As a result of rusting, what makes it? Makes a clicking sound. That clicking sound is called the chattering of that particular machine, isn't it? Chattering of that particular machine. So when it is being stopped by putting oil, that chattering can be stopped, and then what? How it will be? It will be like a still water in a, that means very clean and soft for this running. So that is why the fan is also, when compared to the fan, as soon as we switch on the electric power is being passed to the motor, which is rotating the fan, isn't it? It is making rotation of the fan. And if that oil is not reaching to the motor at the correct time, what happens? It stops. It sound. That working, and what is being produced? A sound is being produced. Understood now? I think you got the idea of the poem. Go through the poem, read it.